Hi everyone, welcome back for another video, and for today we will be exploring Moldova. Moldova is a landlocked country in Eastern Europe. It is bordered by Romania to the west and Ukraine to the north, east, and south.
That's how we're saying in our country. This is hello in our country. And also this is the word which we are using to say cheers. So that's the most important word in our country.
Okay, thank you.
Do you know where our country?
The Moldova Pavilion is dedicated to the country brand Tree of Life, which tells about the country from the perspective of 5 areas: discover, taste, invest, craft, and wine. Moldova has a well-established wine industry, with a production of around 2 million hectoliters of wine as of 2018, making it the 11th largest European wine-producing country. In 2017, Moldova ranked 7th among world walnut producers. During the times of the Soviet Union, Moldova produced food for astronauts. Here, unique technologies and methods of production and storage of fruit and berry products were developed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you, Moldova.